Good day, beautiful soul family, and welcome back to Miracles Beneath the Surface. And I am pretty much told to tell you this. Your money is not good here. I say again, your money is no good here. And when I say that, there are a lot of people who believe that they can buy their ways to salvation. That the more money that they spend is how much they're being heard. There are some people that believe that because of the amount of money they have, it is because they're being heard. And the Lord God Almighty is telling me to say, your money is no good here. This is for all the people who believe that the money that they received, that they are blessed. This is for those who believe that that is the point. For them to attain so much money, to have so many things. But the Lord said, your money is no good here. For those who have so much money and so much land, and what do you do with it? Are you providing it for others? Are you providing homes? Or is it all for you? Your money is no good here. Can you live without your money? Can you live without your fame and notoriety? Are you important because of your money? Your money is no good here. And so this is all that I'm told to say. Your money is no good in the heavenly realm. Your notoriety, all your fame is no good here. Have a beautiful and wonderful day. God bless. The surface.